I'm coming. Got to take the Toyota in to get some new shoes this morning before I get started on the house. The GMC is limping right now. Might have something to do with my left foot, but I have a injured front differential, and being an all-wheel drive, you can't turn it off, just keep rolling around. Doesn't work that way. So I need to put some tires on the Toyota. That way I can tear the GMC apart, do what I need to do to it. Oh, but go get this done. Just spend the rest of the day working on the house. Okay, now that that is out of the way, I can move on to working on the house. Need to get the water hose drug back over here. Something else I'll be glad when we get everything finished, we can run all of our water lines to different places. We don't have to drag around 200 feet of water hose everywhere. But get over here, get things set up, get some of this chinking mixed up. See if I can make a little progress on this wall today. Turkeys are going to have to find them a new place to sit in the shade. I know this is turning into the chinking channel, but hopefully we'll be through with this before too long and we won't ever have to see these chinking videos again. I'm tired of it. It's a lot of work. It's slow going, it's monotonous, and it's even worse to watch somebody else do it. But nevertheless, that's what we're doing. So I'm trying to get this wall finished up. This is actually my worst one because it is the tallest. Get this one out of the way and hopefully the rest will start going faster. I'm gonna try to here in the next couple of weeks to have all this chinking behind me. We can start doing doors and windows, or I don't know what, something different. I'm not really picky at this point. But we got more bad weather coming, several days of it. I have another indoor project I can do when that gets here, so yeah, hold on, let's do some more chinking. All right, guys, as you can see, yeah, we got caught in the rain. We didn't get finished, but we're getting closer. Hopefully this will blow over here in a few hours. You can see just have one row left at the top to be finished with this side. It's all done. So we're picking up stuff. Yeah, getting wet. Got somebody here that likes to play in the rain. She probably wants to go for a ride on the side-by-side now. So that's it. I'm gonna pause till this afternoon.